Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to replace object with Kling AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to swap an item in your photo, like changing a bag, a hat, or any visible object using Kling's simple image tools. This is useful when you like the overall photo, but one object does not match the look, style, color, or purpose you want. First, open the Kling AI app in your browser. Give it a second to load, and make sure you're signed in so your work saves properly. Signing in also helps you keep your uploaded files and generated results organized, especially if you plan to test multiple edits. Once the interface appears, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click Assets. This is where Kling keeps all the files you'll work with, so it's the best place to stay organized. Think of this area like your project library, where you can find your original photos, references, and edited versions. Inside Assets, choose Uploads. This takes you to your personal upload area. Here's where you bring in the photo you want to edit. You can drag and drop your image, or use the Upload button. Either works fine. For best results, use a clear, well-lit picture in a standard format like JPG or PNG, and aim for a reasonably high resolution so the replacement blends naturally. A photo with good lighting, visible edges, and a clear object will usually give better results than a dark, blurry, or crowded image. After the upload finishes, find the new file in your list and click on it. That opens the image within Kling, so you can start setting up your edit. Before moving forward, quickly check that you opened the correct image, especially if you uploaded more than one file. Next, click Set as Reference. Setting an image as a reference tells Kling, use this exact photo as the base and apply my instructions to it. This is crucial for object replacement, because you're not generating a brand new scene, you're updating a specific picture. It helps Kling understand that the person, background, pose, lighting, and overall composition should stay connected to the original image. Now it's time to describe what you want to change in the prompt field. Type a clear instruction, such as change the bag to a small black leather backpack while keeping the person's pose and lighting the same. The more specific you are about color, material, size, and style, the better Kling can match your vision. You can mention what should stay the same, background, pose, lighting, to preserve the photo's overall look. For example, instead of writing replace the object, write exactly what object you want replaced and what you want it replaced with, like change the red handbag into a brown travel backpack, or replace the hat with a black baseball cap. Choose the image ratio next. Pick a ratio that matches your original photo to avoid unexpected cropping or stretching. If your picture is more square, go with a square-like option. If it's wide, choose a landscape ratio that aligns closely with your source. This matters because the wrong ratio can cut off important parts of the photo or change the framing in a way that makes the edit feel less natural. Then select the number of outputs. More outputs give you more variations to compare, which is helpful when you want to pick the most seamless replacement. Keep in mind that generating extra options can take a bit longer. If the first result is not perfect, having multiple versions gives you a better chance of finding one with better shape, lighting, texture, and object placement. Finally, click Generate. Kling will process your request and render the edited results. When they appear, scan the outputs and look for clean edges, consistent lighting, and a replacement that feels natural within the scene. Pay attention to small details like shadows, object size, hand placement, and whether the new item matches the direction of the light. That's it. Your object is replaced, and your image is ready to use. You can use this same method for product mockups, fashion edits, social media images, thumbnails, lifestyle photos, or any image where one visible object needs to be changed without rebuilding the entire scene.